Let's go over the mastery problem on page 21. Okay, and again, we'll do the popsicle sticks to pick volunteers. All right. So, see who's first up. Brendan. Okay, so we have our first transaction is already there. We see that we paid cash for rent, $400. The two accounts that are affected are our cash account and our owner's equity in the form of expenses. When we hear the words paid cash, cash is going to go down by $400, and then it's going to reduce our owner's equity by $400. Okay, so our transaction that you're going to look at, Brendan, is number 2. Received cash from owner as an investment, $500. God bless you. So what are the two accounts that are affected?
Cash and capital.
Good. Cash and the capital account. And what's going to happen to the cash account? It's going to go up by 500. So plus 500. And then what's going to happen to our owner's equity account? By 500. And we're going to put in parentheses investment. Okay? Our owner's investment. Make sure you're always putting those parentheses. You'll lose a half a point on your test if you don't put the things in parentheses. Okay, I want to know that you know what that type of thing is that affects your owner's equity account. Okay? Okay. Next transaction, we've got Brianna. Paid cash, number 3, paid cash for telephone bill, $50. What are my two accounts that are affected?
Cash and capital.
Cash and the capital account, the owner's equity account. Cash and the owner's equity account. And what's happening to my cash account?
It's decreasing by 50.
Good. And what's happening to my owner's capital account?
Decreasing by 50.
And that's because it's an expense?
Yes.
Perfect. Good. Oh, my goodness. My bad. Totally my bad, guys. I didn't bring the balances down. I thought it looked wrong. Okay, so 2,400, right? 0, 2, 100, 1,800. My bad. I didn't bring my balances down. Doot, doot. Say what? This is why you do it in pencil. Okay, so this was minus 50, you said, Brianna? Minus 50?
Yeah.
Minus 50, and this is the expense. Okay, and now my balances are, what are my balances? 2,350, 200, 100, 1,800, 850. Thank you. Okay. Alrighty. Number 4. Eve. Received cash from sales, $1,025. Received cash from sales.
Increase in cash.
Wait.
Right.
Oh, I said Eve. I'm sorry.
Oh, no, we were just calling out the
I'm sorry.
That was me, sorry.
Good job. You threw your voice very well. All right. Do you want to just finish it, Rachel? Erica, I'm sorry.
Yeah, well, I don't even know if I'm right, but I thought we're on 4, right?
Yeah, we're on.
I did increase in cash and increase in owner's equity.
Good. Perfect. Okay.
Sorry.
So that's fine. Okay, so plus 1,025 in cash and plus 1,025 in the form of sales impacting our owner's equity. Good. And so I bring my balances down, and my balances, help me out,
3,375.
3,375, 0, 200, 100, $1,800. My owner's equity is?
$18.75.
Thank you. Okay, next. Why don't we let Eve go? Eve, next one. Okay, we're on number 5. Bought supplies on account from Delta Company, $450. What are my 2 accounts that are affected? Good. Supplies and accounts payable, Delta Company. And what's happening to my supplies account? Is it going up or down? It is going up. And how much? Say what? 450. And then my accounts payable Delta is going up by 450. Okay, perfect. And see how that's on the different sides of the accounting equation, so they both go up. And then we bring our balances down, 3375, 0, 650, 100, what is that, 2250, yeah, 1875. Thank you, I always appreciate the assistance. Okay, next up, Naomi. We've got number 6, sold services on account to Anna Santiago, $730. Sold services on account to Anna Santiago. What are the 2 accounts that are affected?
Accounts receivable, the Emma and capital.
Good, in the form of sales. So accounts receivable is going up by how much? 730. And my owner's equity is 730 in the form of sales. Good. Bring my balances down, 3375, 730, 650, 100, 2250.
2,600 this week, or 605.
2605. Perfect. Thank you. Okay, number 7, Maggie. Number 7, paid cash for advertising, $660. Paid cash for advertising. What are the 2 accounts that are affected?
Cash and owner's equity.
Good. Cash and owner's equity. My cash is going up or down? Down. Paid is always down. Minus 660, and advertising expense is minus 660, and we put expense in parentheses. Bring my balances down. Who's helping me?
2,715.
2,000 what?
715.
715, 730, 650, 100, 2250, and say what? 1945?
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay. 8. Number 8. We've got Emily. 8. Paid cash for supplies, 150. What are my 2 accounts that are affected?
Cash.
How much is it?
Minus 150 for cash and plus 150 for.
Good. There's a minus and a plus because we're on the same side of the accounting equation. Okay, what's my new balance?
2,565.
730, and then, what is that? 800, 100, 2250, and then 1945. Okay, 9. Number 9, Brittany. Received cash on account from Anna Santiago, $400. Received cash on account from Anna Santiago. What are my 2 accounts that are affected?
Cash and account receivable.
Perfect. And what's happening to my cash account? It's increasing, right? Because I'm receiving cash, so that's going up by how much? 400? Okay. And my accounts receivable? Decreasing by 400 because she's reducing and paying me. Okay. So now we're at what? 2165, and we're at 330, 800.
If it's increasing, it's 29.
My bad. Thank you so much. 2965, 1945. Thank you. Thanks for keeping me honest. Okay, let's see who's next. Oh, he's no longer here. She's not here. Rachel Grulick, sorry. Let me see. We're on 10. Paid cash on account to Delta Company, $1,500. Paid cash on account to Delta Company, $1,500. What are my 2 accounts that are affected?
Cash and accounts payable, Delta Company.
Good. And what's happening to my cash?
It's decreasing.
By, how much was that?
1,500.
1,500. And what's happening to my accounts payable to Delta?
That's decreasing 1,500.
Perfect. Good, good, good. Okay. Good. And now we're at, am I right? Is my math right? 1465?
Yeah.
Thank you. And then this is, what do we got here? The 7. Do you have 1750?
Yeah.
My bad, 750. Okay. All right. Number 11. Who's up? Oh, he's no longer with us. Stephanie. Paid cash for 1 month of insurance, $100. Paid cash for 1 month of insurance. What are my 2 accounts that are affected?
Cash and prepaid insurance.
Good. Cash and prepaid insurance. What happened to my cash account? Go up or down?
Up 100.
Wait. I paid cash.
No, minus.
Minus. Okay. So minus 100. And then what's happening to my prepaid insurance?
Increase.
It's increasing by 100. So I'm at 1365 for my cash account. 200. This is 750, and this is 1945. Good. All right. What do we got next? Mr. Cobb. We are on number 12. Receive cash from sale. What are my 2 accounts that are affected?
Cash and owner's equity.
Good. Cash and owner's equity. What's happening to my cash account?
It's going up
By
230.
230
Yeah, and the
or
same-
1230?
Yeah.
1230? Okay. And then what's happening to my owner's equity?
Same thing?
1230 in the form of sales.
Yep.
Good. All right. So what are my balances? 595 2595, is that right?
Yeah. And then equity is 3,175.
3,175. Good. Thank you. All right. Last one. Michelle. So we've got paid cash to owner for personal use, $1,200. Paid cash to owner for personal use, $1,200. What are my 2 accounts that are affected? Good. Perfect. What's happening to my cash account? Good. By $1,200. And what's happening to my owner's equity account? And it's affected by the withdrawals. Okay, so we're going to call that a decrease because of withdrawals. And my balances are 1395, 33, 330, 800, 200, 750, right? And then 1975. So my balance comes down to what here? 2,700 what? And then does this equal 2,725 also? Yes? Okay. So then you're in balance. Okay, perfect. The end. This is exactly like the problem that you'll see on your test. Now, I'm going to do a quick overview on your test for Monday. Yes, you want me to do that? And then we'll go across the hall and you guys can start working on your study guide if you'd like. Okay? So your test will be 22 vocabulary words.
Is it matching?
It's a matching. 22 matching vocabulary words. There will be 15 true false. And then 2 problems. 2 problems like these. So they'll be broken up into just 2 different problems that are very similar to the mastery problem. Okay? And that's it. Okay? Now, those true false and the vocabulary will be exactly like this study guide that I'm going to give you right now to work on. Okay? This is what you're going to be working on the computer. Okay?
How do you work on the computer?
All right. Hold on. You'll see. All right. Let me turn this off.